welcome back. In a previous post bag, oh no, actually it wasn't a post bag. In a video I did where I was showing off some PCBs, I showed this PCB, which is a artist version, let's call it an artist version, of the Dom Tower in Utrecht. And as I said, the Dom Tower is kind of the pride of Utrecht. And I also wanted to do a PCB where there was some solder mask or cuts in the solder mask and having LEDs shine through the PCB so it looks like there's light on in this church tower. So in this video I thought I'd assemble this, and there's actually not a lot to it. There are a few LEDs, actually there are 22 LEDs on there. And I'm going to use these side mounted or side view LEDs, and I'm going to use two colors. Actually, I'm going to use two colors per window, because the way I designed it, there are two LEDs per window and there's 11 windows in total, and each of these windows can be individually controlled by an 80 tiny, I believe it's the 80 tiny 1604, which I bought a few. What was I saying? Oh right, yeah, I don't have 22 of one color, so I'm gonna do one red and one blue per window, and that should give me kind of a purplish look on the other side. I haven't tested this, so it might just show up as blue and red instead of purple, but we'll just have to see. I also have some resistors. These are 0603 resistors, and these are 1.3K. I've heated up my soldering iron and it's heating up to 300 degrees. I'm going to up that a bit. There we go, 340, that's okay. I'm gonna tin one of the pads, put the resistor or LED on that pad, reheat it, and then do the other side. I'm just gonna start, and I'll leave the camera running and probably edit this footage out later, or not even edit it out, but maybe speed it up a bit and get to the final result. So before I do anything, I have to check which is which. These could be the red LEDs, but these also could be the red LEDs. So I'm just gonna drop one out, put it in view, get my multimeter and set that to diode mode. I have to remember blue right, red left. And if you look at the LED itself, you can see on the back there is a green line, and that green line indicates the cathode, so the negative side. And on the board there's a little diode marking on the footprint I designed, and there's the anode, and over there the cathode. Resistors of course do not have a polarity and can go in either way. I've soldered on the 80 tiny 1604, and because I don't have the female micro USB socket yet. I've soldered some wires onto some pads I exposed on the PCB. And now all that's left to do is to program this. So I turned off most of the lights in my workshop. Not all of them, of course, because I need some light to film this. But without further ado, let's just turn the power supply on. And I'm actually amazed how good it looks. Even better in real life than it does on camera. The only thing I'm gonna do different is swap the red and the blue on the top right window, because they're a bit out of tune. But otherwise it works exactly as I wanted it to. So that video you just saw I shot about a week ago, and for a week long these two LEDs have been bugging me. So I desoldered them, swapped them around, and let's have a look now. If you like this video, you know what to do.